Food is like fuel for your body. Some foods help you play, grow strong, and feel great. We call these good foods. Good foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and proteins. This means yummy things like apples, carrots, bread. When you eat these, your body gets the energy to run, jump, and have fun. You'll feel like a superhero, fast, strong, and full of energy. But then there are sometimes treats like cookies, candy, chips, and soda. These are yummy too, but they don't give you the same energy as good foods. If you eat too many of these, you might feel tired or slow. They don't help you grow strong or play your best. That's why we call them sometimes treats, because they're good for special times, like a birthday party or a fun day out. You can have them sometimes, but not all the time. Good foods, like fruits, vegetables, and grains, are what your body needs every day. These foods help you stay healthy and strong. They help you do well in school, play your favorite games, and grow tall. So, remember, good foods give your body the power it needs to feel great and play all day. Sometimes treats are fun too, but they are best for special occasions, not every day. When you eat more good foods, your body will feel awesome.